Spencer, and draw a Halloween costume.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite costumes. It's the kid that's getting carried away by an alien. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies, some paper, and...
something to color with.
Yeah, you're ready to start.
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing our kid. We're going to draw his mouth right here in the middle of our paper. And you could change this kid to be a girl or draw it as a boy. Yes, we're going to draw the mouth open like that. You could also change the mouth. You can draw your kid super scared.
Yeah.
And I'm going to add a little tongue and then color in the top shape. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle over here. Maybe I'll change mine or draw mine as a girl. You could draw yours as a boy.
Okay.
I'm going to draw the little highlight in the top of each eye and color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. I'm going to add little eyelashes. Hadley would want me to add those.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to draw the shape of the face. We're going to draw a U shape, U letter, that comes down for the chin and up for the cheeks. Yes, and then we're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to draw an upside down U or a rainbow line to connect the top for the shape, the full shape of the head. Then we can draw little zigzag line going across the face like this. And I'm going to add also ears. You could change your hair to be curly, or you could change this line to just come across and then down. You could do whatever you want. You could also even add a hat. I'm going to add a little ponytail on this side. Oh, and maybe another one on this side. So we got piggy tails. Oh, and then I'm going to add a little detail, maybe rubber bands in the hair. You could also add ears. You could draw a letter C there and a backwards C for the other ear. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the body. We're going to draw two lines coming down from the chin. So I'm going to draw one over here and one over here on the side to match. And then we could draw a line for the bottom of the shirt or the body. And let's keep the legs really simple. I'm going to turn these into letter U's for each leg. And then let's draw a little line on each leg for the shoes. Okay, now let's draw the arms for the alien that's hanging on to our little kid. I'm going to draw a sideways, really long letter U. So I'm going to come out like this, around, and then we're going to come back to the other side. Yeah, and then we can do the same thing for an arm going the other way. We're going to come out like this, curve around, and then we can come back. Yeah, let's add little fingers too for our alien hand on each arm. Let's draw the arms for our kid. I'm going to draw one arm curving down, so I'm going to draw one curve. Then we could draw the other side of the arm curving down too. And then let's connect those together. And then let's keep their hands really simple by just drawing the letter U. Now this arm over here, let's draw it curving up the other way. So let's draw a curve going up. Then we can draw the other side of the arm curving up also. Then let's connect those two lines together. And a sideways letter U for the hand. And we could also add little fingers for the hands. Okay, now we need to draw our alien. Let's first start by drawing the body. I'm going to start right underneath our little kid's armpit right here. And I'm going to draw a curve coming down. And we're going to match that same curve on the other side. In between, right here, we're going to draw the inside of the leg. So I'm going to start really close, and we could put little guide points so that we have the same distance for the ankles on both legs. Then we're going to curve up for one leg, and then we can curve back down for the other leg. Yeah, and then let's draw the feet. I'm going to draw a sideways letter U that curves in. And we can do the same over here, but going the other direction for the other foot. Now let's draw our alien's head. We're going to draw it above our kid's head. So we're going to draw a big upside down letter U above our kid. And then we're going to draw the alien eyes. I'm going to draw an oval shape for each eye. And then we could also add a little circle for a highlight. And then let's color in the big oval, but leave those little circles white. And then let's also draw the alien's mouth. I'm just drawing a straight line. Austin, we did it. We finished drawing our alien carrying our kid, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember, you can pause the video for extra time. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it! We finished drawing our kids in an alien costume, and it turned out awesome. I especially love yours.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. And I like that our two drawings are different. I love that you changed yours. Our friends can change their drawings also. You can make the kid look more like yourself. You could change the color of the hair or even the skin tone. You could even change what the kid's wearing.
You could also add a background.
Oh yeah, you could add maybe a neighborhood and other kids trick-or-treating. Or you could even give your child a trick-or-treat bag.
Yeah.
With lots of candy.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a kid in an alien costume.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. This is seriously my favorite costume because anytime I see a kid wearing it, I start laughing. I'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.